dis des mots d'amour, des mots de tous les jours.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Yen, and for today's video I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me plus my updated go-to makeup look. As you guys can see, this makeup look is a lot more natural than my previous one, just because I'm really into the no makeup look and also like the natural makeup look. So if you guys are interested with how I created this look, then please keep on watching. But before we start with the actual makeup look, I wanted to show you guys a few items that I received. The first one is this contact lenses that I'm wearing right now, and this is from the brand called TTDI, and I believe they are Korean brand. And look at the packaging, it's so cute. I don't know if you guys can clearly see it, but it doesn't look so extreme. That's why I really like it, because it's very wearable. So much TTDI for sending this over. I really like it, and I know I'm gonna use this a lot just because it's so pretty and so wearable. Also, it's very comfortable. So if you guys are interested, all the links will be on the description box below. And next thing that I'm so excited to show you guys is from KOODING.com. If you guys aren't familiar with KOODING, basically KOODING is a Korean website which carries a lot of Korean branded, carry a lot of cosmetics. And recently they came up with their skincare brand, which is a bullet. I'm so excited to share with you guys because they're just so aesthetically pleasing, and I've actually tried out some of these and I really like them. So let's just get into it. So these are all the skincare products that I wanted to talk about today. So the first one that I wanted to talk about, but I haven't used this because I just recently got this, is the SEBUM Pure Miracle Stone. So this is what the packaging looks like, and I honestly am so in love with the packaging just because it's gold and it's peach, and you guys know I'm a sucker for these two colors and I love it so much. It's so... Also, it smells... It doesn't have a very strong smell, which is what I love, but it smells good. Next thing that I got from this line is this SOUL Intensive Cell Revital Ampoule. Oh, I'll show you guys. So this is what the ampoule looks like. It's so aesthetically pleasing, you guys. It's so pretty. I really like how it feels like. It feels so moisturizing and it's not sticky at all, which is what I prefer when I'm using like any moisturizing products, and I like it. Also, it doesn't have a smell, which is what I always look forward to when buying skincare products, because I really don't like applying products on my face that has strong scents because they tend to break me out. But this one doesn't have a scent, which I think is a plus. Okay, so next thing that I received from them is the SOUL Intensive Cell Revital Mist, and I've actually used this today, and also I used this yesterday upon receiving this product just because I'm so excited, and I've been wanting to find a really good facial mist for so long. As I was saying, I really like this mist because it doesn't have that very large chunk of like product in it. Like, it doesn't look like you just wet your face and you're just gonna wait for it to dry. It's very fine, and also look at the packaging. The packaging is so pretty. I love how minimal and how classy the packaging is. Also, this product is quite heavy, so it feels very various, and yeah, I like it. Actually, let me show you guys. I don't know if it's gonna show since it's very fine. I doubt it's gonna show at all, but oh my gosh. And also what I love about this product is that it immediately sinks into your skin, which is by far the best one I've tried, and I love it. Next thing that I received are these SOUL Cell Illuminating 3-Step Mask Pack. This one I haven't used, but I know for some like Korean brands gravitating towards this type of facial mask just because it's really convenient, and since I'll be traveling today, this is perfect for me because this already have the Cell Illuminating Ampoule and Cell Illuminating Cream, and the actual mask itself. I'm so excited to use this, and also I kind of like don't want to use this because of how pretty the packaging is. And yeah, and the next thing that I got is the SEBUM Secret Solution Mask Pack. I actually tried this out yesterday. It also doesn't have a strong scent, which I appreciate, and I know I'm gonna be using this up a lot. And yeah, last thing that I got from their line is this. So pretty. Okay, so the first thing that I have here is the SOUL Intensive Cell Revital Cream. So this is what the packaging looks like. Whoa. It also, oh my gosh, this reminds me, it smells like jelly. It smells like lychee. It smells so good. The next thing that I got here is so interesting. This is their SOUL Intensive Cell Recovery Serum. Now this serum I am so excited to use because look how interesting and beautiful that is. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like this pearl beads inside, and it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, let me try this out. Okay. Wow, that is so moisturizing and so. It also doesn't have a scent, which is a good thing, and I'm so excited to try this product out. And so if you guys are interested with all the skincare products that I just showed you guys, everything will be in the description box below. Guys, thank you so much KOODING for sending this over. I'm so excited to use each one of them, and I'll definitely give you guys an update once I started doing so. Okay guys, so enough with the rumbling, let's just get into the actual video.
I had lunch with Craig today.
Yeah?
He said he was sorry and that I was right to break up with him. I'm driving away and feeling so small. Just asking myself, why do I and everyone I love pick people who treat us like we're nothing?
We accept the love we think we deserve.
Then why didn't you ever ask me out?
I just didn't think that you wanted that.
Well, what did you want?
Oh, I just want you to be happy.
Don't you get it, Charlie? I can't feel that. It's really sweet and everything, but you can't just sit there and put everybody's lives ahead of yours and think that counts as love. I don't want to be somebody's crush. I want people to like the real me.
I know who you are, Sam. I'm going quiet. And I know I should speak more. If you knew the things that were in my head most of the time, you know what it really meant. How much we're alike, and how we've been through the same things. And you're not small. You're beautiful.
What's wrong, Charlie?
Nothing.
had lunch with Craig today.
Yeah?
He said he was sorry and that I was right to break up with him. I'm driving away and just feeling so small. Just asking myself, why do I and everyone I love pick people who treat us like we're nothing?
We accept the love we think we deserve.
Then why didn't you ever ask me out?
I just didn't think that you wanted that.
Well, what did you want?
Well, I just want you to be happy.
Don't you get it, Charlie? I can't feel that. It's really sweet and everything, but you can't just sit there and put everybody's lives ahead of yours and think that counts as love. I don't want to be somebody's crush. I want people to like the real me.
I know who you are, Sam. I know I'm quiet. And I know I should speak more. If you knew the things that were in my head most of the time, you'd know what it really meant. How much we're alike and how we've been through the same things. And you're not small. You're beautiful.